There's nothing quite like the smell and flavor of fresh homemade bread, so I thought I would share my bread making experiences. But a funny thing happened on the way to making my latest YouTube video. I set out to demonstrate a widely used, rather inexpensive 2-pound bread maker with a universally appealing whole wheat recipe while simultaneously looking to purchase one as a gift for a friend. For the last few years, these units have sold in the neighborhood of $100. Boy, was I surprised when I went to the internet to check on pricing. The unit I am speaking of here is a Sunbeam 2-pound bread maker with gluten-free setting. The identical machine is also marketed under the Oster brand name due to the fact that both brand names share the same parent company in Newell Brands. The Sunbeam bread maker we have used for the past few years was purchased for $70 on sale from Walmart. This is what I expected to find online, but it turned out to be an old listing, so we checked out Walmart. What the heck? Certain that this was a mistake, I moved on to Amazon, where my sticker shock only marginally improved. Then I checked out Amazon's other vendors, still not believing my eyes. The next stop was eBay, where new units can still be purchased, albeit at inflated prices, and most will be devoid of any type of warranty. So what is going on here? After a bit of investigation, it turns out that the listing for the Oster 2-pound bread maker can still be found on both the Canadian and US websites, while the Sunbeam version of the same machine is still found on the Sunbeam Canada website. But when following the links to the retailers that supposedly carry this machine, all of them have either removed the listing or are out of stock. But a shortage among two sister brands doesn't explain this. The same types of inventory shortages and pricing irregularities in competing brands. Well, it turns out that courtesy of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have just experienced a widespread social phenomena akin to hoarding that has been dubbed as stress baking. Basically, the fear of food supply shortages, which include staples such as bread, coupled with notions of becoming more self-sufficient while finding things to do when sheltering in place, had people buying up most of the small appliance bread machine inventory in North America. This began in earnest back in March and continues to present. It was simply a case of a great number of people exercising the same thought processes at the same time without any type of coordination. The crazy pricing is just good old-fashioned capitalism at work. Demand is high while supply is scarce, prompting some sellers to set pricing to what the market will bear. The good news is twofold, however, in that this shortage will not last forever, and most people are unaware of this phenomenon at present, which is reflected in the used market. Check out your local Facebook, Marketplace, Craigslist, or other online classifieds. A bargain could be waiting for you, which is the subject of my next video. For now, I'll post the Boston brown bread recipe, which can be made in any 2-pound bread machine, and I hope to see you next time.
When the stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through. When the stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through.